So today we are going to make flower slime. So watch this video. So let me open. Okay, when I buy the slime, it's really like this. Is so weird. So I'm going to use.
This is a very pretty green color.
Yes, it's very pretty, but it seems like a witch, right? It's like a witch potion. It's like so funny. So I'm going to add some flowers in there. Yeah, I was like, this slime is so yucky. So I chosen this slime. Like, so this very nice. The flower smells like so nice. I hope it smells good. Don't smell like this. Don't put too much because the flower must be a glass. If you need help, ask your parents for help. I don't want you guys to like get hurt. Okay, so I won't use my hand. Oh my god, it's like you can see the flowers, right? Please don't eat the slime. It's not for you to eat. So yeah, and you don't eat flowers. Oh my goodness. This time is very soft. It's so nice. You can make a purse using it for your dolls, like Rapunzel, Snow White. Yeah. If you want to watch other videos, tell me. I will definitely need to do that. So this so nice. If you want to make your own slime, you can.